Good evening, y'all. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do rear brakes on a 2013 Honda Accord. And I got the wheel off. Some people might say you're doing too much, but don't ever just trust a hydraulic jack when you're working, when you got the car jacked up. I got one, the 2-ton jack, 2.5-ton jack on the front, and I got a 2.5-ton jack. I made a 2.5 ton jack in the rear, and I also got a 2.5 ton jack in the front. And I got my jack stands under there with the jacks. That's the front, and this is the rear. Like I say, never ever trust just the hydraulic jack when you got your car jacked in there. Okay? And I'm gonna be showing you how to push the, let's see if I can get you focused in here, push the cylinder back without the correct tool. Okay? Right here's my tool. Is a file and a pair of vice grips. You stick it right in there, press against it, and turn. I don't know if you can see that turning. Let me see if I can get the turn. See it turning? So I need two hands to do this. So I'm going to get this cylinder pushed back, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to show you a little bit now. Hopefully you can see it while so you can see it turning. Let me see if I can see it turning. Okay, that should be about good enough. And what you want that, see the crosses in there? See the crosses? You want that cross pointing up to that hole. See the hole right there? You want one that crosses that line. Let me see if I can point it out to you. You want this line right here to be up top, up here. Sort of lined up with this slot here. This slot here up top. Okay? I'm gonna have to stop the camera again, and I'll be right back. Okay, this is what I usually do. I usually this is the one that go on the inside. It's got the sensor on it, like when your brakes get low. And I laid it out the way I took it off. That way you will know exactly how to go back in. Which is right here, the other side. So what you want to do, I'm going to show you on with this one, because you probably can see it better. What I'm going to do, let's see if I can get it set up. Okay. Okay, see this groove right here? You want to set that little piece down in there just like that. See how that's set in there? It's got a slot. Let me see if I can get my flashlight. See how that's in there? Right here? Right here. I think it's hard to do this with one hand, but right here, this part right here, it slides right in. See how the brake slid in right here? And it's got another slot at the bottom. See how this curves with the disc? It's going to curve around a little bit. And then your other side, it's got a curve. It goes in like this. It's got a slot on the side. It goes in just like this. See how it goes around with the disc? Around. It's got some slots on the back side. Also, it slides right in just like that. And then you slide your caliper back on. I'm gonna have to have two hands. I'll show you. I'll be back when I get it on. I'll show you after I get it on. Okay, what you want to do? This pin, you stick it back in here like this, and there's a hole down here. Am I on your light?
See, right there.
Let me find the hole. You want to put that pin back in. That will hold your brake shoes on. Brake disc on. Then you take this, bring it around, and slide it right in just like that. And put your screws in. And the other side, you do it, the same way. Okay. It's a 12 mil. Probably can't see it. Anyway, it's a 12 millimeter that fits this bolt right here. Then you tighten it back up. And this side is done. Okay. Okay, this is the bolt you want. You take this bolt out. It's the size 12. And it's one down here at the bottom. Right here. You want to take them bolts out. I already pre-loosened them. They're not very tight. You want to take them bolts out. Lay them to the side. Don't lose them. And then what you want to do, I take a flathead screwdriver and I get right in here. And I prise this up and off. And sometimes this shit be crazy. Okay. Just like that. catch this little pin. A lot of times it come out. You're gonna need that when you put it back. Okay, I'm gonna push this cylinder back, which is pretty much the same way I showed you on the other side. Okay, that's okay. I'm back. This right here is the driver's side, done, and this right here is the passenger side, done. It's fairly easy job. I'm gonna say the hardest thing is just coming out and doing it. That's the hardest thing about it. Setting your mind to get out here and do it. Anybody can do it. It's easy. It saves you money. If you take it to the shop, they're gonna charge you, a good little penny. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.